All right, if you drive around Portland, you know the deal. It's really not a matter of if a rock is going to hit your windshield, it's just a matter of when. So today, we're going to break down absolutely everything you need to know about windshield insurance, specifically for us here in the Rose City. Okay, so let's just dive right in. Picture this, right? You're cruising down Highway 26, minding your own business, and then you hear it. That awful, sharp thwack right against the glass. A little chip shows up, and you just watch as that dreaded spiderweb crack starts to creep across your vision. The very first thing that pops into your head is, am I covered for this? Well, here's the good news. You can probably breathe a little sigh of relief. See, for the huge majority of us driving around Portland, the answer is a big yes. We're talking somewhere between 80, maybe even 90% of all auto policies around here actually have glass coverage. But, and this is important, just knowing you're probably covered is really only the first step. And that brings us to what we're going to tackle today, the Portland windshield puzzle. You know, it might sound a little complicated at first, but I promise once you see how the key pieces work, it all just clicks into place. Okay, so here is a really crucial detail you have to understand about our state. Unlike some other places, Oregon law doesn't actually force insurance companies to give you free windshield replacement. What that means is everything, and I mean everything, comes down to the specific policy you actually chose. So that brings us right to your policy. Let's pull it out, metaphorically, and decode it. We're going to cut through all that insurance jargon and find out exactly what you need to be looking for. All right, the big one, the term you really need to know is comprehensive coverage. Now, this isn't for when you get in a collision with another car. Nope. This is for all the other random stuff that can happen on the road. Falling tree branches, vandalism, and of course those flying rocks. Just think of it like your acts of nature protection, and that's almost always where your glass coverage is hiding. But if you want to pay absolutely $0 out of pocket, the magic phrase you're looking for in that policy is a glass deductible waiver. It's usually a pretty small add-on, but man, it can save you hundreds of dollars exactly when you need it the most. Okay, so let's say you've checked your policy and yep, you're covered. Awesome. So what happens next? Let's walk through the whole process, step by step, from making that first claim to driving away with a brand new, clear view. The process itself is actually surprisingly simple. Filing the claim online, super quick. It usually takes, less than 15 minutes. And here's something really important to remember. Oregon law protects your right to choose whatever repair shop you want. The insurance company can't make you go to their preferred place. After that, you just schedule the service, and honestly, the whole thing is usually done and dusted in a day or two. Now, if you're driving a newer car, listen up because this part is absolutely critical. If your vehicle has those cool features like lane keep assist or automatic emergency braking, it uses a system called ADAS, and the cameras for all that tech, they're mounted right there on the windshield. So after any replacement, they have to be perfectly recalibrated to make sure all those safety features are actually going to work and keep you safe. And now for everybody's favorite part, let's talk about the money. We're going to break down the costs and the benefits, and you'll see why using your insurance is almost always the smartest move you can make. I mean, the financial difference here is it's huge. With that glass deductible waiver we were just talking about, your cost is zero. Zip. Nada. But without it, well, then you're on the hook for your entire comprehensive deductible, which is usually somewhere between $250 and $500. Look, a tiny chip repair might not seem too expensive if you pay for it yourself, but check out a full replacement on a car with all that ADAS tech. That can cost up to $1,500. But with a waiver, your cost for any of these things is almost always zero. The savings are they're massive. Okay, but this is the big one, isn't it? It's the number one fear that stops people from even making a claim in the first place. Will this come back to haunt me with higher insurance rates? And the answer is almost always no. You see, insurance companies put glass damage in a special category. It's a not-at-fault comprehensive claim. They basically see it as an unavoidable hazard of just being on the road, not as a black mark on your driving record. A single glass claim is super, super unlikely to have any effect on your rates. So let's bring this all back home, right here to P-Town. Why is this conversation so important for us? Well, let's talk about the unique challenges that make up Portland's windshield woes. I mean, think about it. Our city is just uniquely tough on windshields. We get all that sand and gravel coming down from Mount Hood onto the roads. We have pretty much year-round construction kicking up debris on I-84 and Highway 26. And our famous rain, it does an amazing job of hiding all that junk on the road. And then you get our winter temperature swings, which can turn a tiny, tiny chip into a giant crack literally overnight. To put it really simply, waiting is expensive. That small chip that you can get repaired today, often for free with your insurance, can so easily fracture overnight because of our classic Pacific Northwest weather. And then suddenly you're looking at a full and much more expensive replacement tomorrow. And that kind of leaves us with one final thought to drive away with. You know that tiny little chip you've been ignoring? Yeah, it seems pretty harmless right now. But what's going to happen when Portland's next big cold snap finally hits? It might be the perfect time to go check your policy and know for sure.